Do you want to be a VTuber? With this simple tutorial, you'll be one step closer to living your anime girl dreams. Why would you want to be a virtual streamer, otherwise known as a VTuber? Easy! You don't have to worry about your background, your lighting, your unwashed hair, your outfit, or putting on makeup. To start, what exactly do you need to live your best 2D life? Other than your basic streamer setup like a computer, games, a decent mic, and OBS, you'll require a webcam or smartphone with face tracking technology, which most modern phones have. To start, I would highly recommend downloading the following program, VTube Studio. The base program is completely free and can be found on the Steam store. Let's open up VTube Studio. Oh, hello there, handsome. When you first download VTube Studio, you'll be greeted by some preloaded models provided by VTube Studio themselves. Now, if you notice that the model is just staring into your soul and not moving, it's because you need to set up the camera you want to use, either a webcam or your smartphone. To check your settings, click on the gear symbol on the navigation bar. If you don't see a navigation bar, simply double-click on the window for it to pop right back out. Click on the camera icon here for the webcam tracking and set up accordingly to your preferences. After you're satisfied, click on Camera On. Note that as long as you have the Auto Start Cam with BTS toggle on, it should automatically remember these settings. For webcam, you are not required to perform additional steps, but for smartphone users, you will be required to download VTube Studio app on your device as well. This can be found in the iOS and Android app stores respectively. Feel free to skip to this timestamp if you're not using your smartphone though. After downloading the app, you will have to set up your phone to connect to the VTube Studio program on your computer. Instead of clicking on the camera icon like we did for the webcam, we're going to stick to the main settings menu and scroll down. Here we see two important options: connection settings and USB settings. Selecting either one will connect your phone's app to your computer's VTube Studio as long as you have the app specifically open on your phone. USB connection is fairly straightforward. Connect your phone with your USB card and make sure to click on this toggle on both devices. Wi-Fi is similar. However, you have to make sure your device is on the same internet network for this to work. Toggle the Start Server option and click on Find Server on your smartphone. Your phone should connect to your computer with little issues. To save on your phone's battery, I would also recommend toggling streaming mode on. Here are the differences between using your webcam versus using a smartphone camera. Now that we have the camera all set up, it's time to import your model into OBS. To add something to our scene, we're going to have to click on this plus sign symbol and add a game capture. I'll name it Live 2D Tutorial for simplicity. Next, we're going to select the mode, Capture Specific Window, and make it select VTube Studio. We are also going to select Allow Transparency. Now, let's fix the background since we don't exactly want ourselves in this pink default background. We're going to double click on the window again and click on this icon resembling a bunch of pictures. This is your background selection. Scroll all the way to the bottom and see the color picker. Select that button and notice that there is an option for transparent and capture. Toggle that on and watch as you no longer have a background. Now all you gotta do is customize your setup a little and you're all good to start streaming. If you don't want to use the default models provided, there are several additional steps you can do, such as downloading free models. For those with money, you can pay someone to illustrate and rig your models. Or for the truly masochistic, you can make it completely from scratch all by yourself. But who would want to do that? Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe for all your beginner VTubing tutorials. Can't wait to see you on your next stream. Bye-bye!